How can authors use Amazon PPC as part of a successful book launch strategy? There's no much difference when it comes down to, are you selling a book? Are you selling a wholesale product? Are you selling private label product? So you as a book author would use the exact same strategies as you would use for a private label product. And we've also managed, I believe 2 years ago, something like that, a KDP account, so Kindle Direct Publishing account. And we would apply exactly the same strategies on our own products or our listings, especially if they are relevant or from the same author, it makes sense. We would also create auto campaigns to discover new targets. We would also create exact match campaigns to rank for specific search terms. There is not much difference when it comes to strategy. And I believe KDP campaigns are even better because it's not a hard copy. You have an unlimited availability of inventory, so there's advantage to it. Now, when it comes down to managing a KDP account, back when we managed the account, we did not have access to bulk files, and bulk files is the method or tool that we are using to create new campaign, change campaign names, optimize bids, and that was a huge disadvantage, especially because this brand had 300 books and we had to manually adjust the bids for all those books and all those campaigns. So that's why I'm saying that if you found a way on how to pair this up with a tool that is going to help optimization, I would highly recommend. But if it comes down to manual campaign, bid optimization and navigation and all that, it's going to be way more complicated. When it comes to strategy,